Hey! You've seen this look before, right? Or those perked up ears. You're about to find out what these behaviors mean. Dogs have found their way into every corner of our lives. With their affection and loyalty, they are our closest companions, sometimes even our saviors. But we are just beginning to understand how their brains work and what they are trying to tell us. Dogs are constantly communicating with us, often through facial expressions. By unlocking their secrets, we can get closer to our dogs and better understand their needs and emotions. If you're wondering what messages your dog is trying to tell you every day, you're in the right place. Here are 12 different facial expressions of our adorable friends and what they mean. The submissive grin. Have you ever seen your dog pull its lips back to show its front teeth? This expression is called a submissive smile and is often mistaken for aggression. But don't worry, it actually means the opposite. The submissive smile is part of a dog's social behavior and is often used as a peaceful means of communication. When your dog shows this expression, it may often bow its head slightly and display other friendly body language such as tail wagging. This behavior indicates that your dog is trying to calm you or another dog. For example, if you are angry with it or threatened by another dog, your dog may use this smile to send the message, "I'm friendly, I don't want to hurt you." This type of behavior plays an important role in the social hierarchy of dogs and is used to avoid conflict. Puppy dog eyes. You know the look. Your dog looks up at you with wide, soft eyes and raised eyebrows. This cute look is an expression that dogs use to ask for attention or a treat. Research shows that dogs use this expression more often when people look at them, suggesting that it is a learned behavior to get attention from their owners. So if you find it hard to resist puppy dog eyes, you're not alone. That's exactly what your dog is hoping for. This adorable look shows your dog's devotion to you and its ability to communicate with you. Their expressions are a natural way to strengthen their bond with us. By recognizing and responding to these expressions, you can deepen your relationship with your dog and better understand its needs. Ears perked up. If you notice your dog's ears standing up and pointing forward, it usually means they are closely attuned to what's happening around them. This occurs when something captures their attention, such as the sound of a treat bag opening or hearing the word walk. This ear posture can indicate curiosity or excitement. Perked ears also signify that your dog is confident and alert to their surroundings. When your dog's ears are perked up in this way, it shows that their attention is entirely focused on you or something nearby, ready to react at any moment. This posture suggests that your dog feels secure and is prepared to handle any situation. However, your dog's perked ears can also indicate that they feel threatened or aggressive. It's important to look out for other signs of tension, such as direct stares, tense muscles, and a stiff posture. These indicators can show that your dog is uncomfortable and ready to defend themselves. Ears flattened back. Ears flattened back typically indicate fear or submission. Dogs will pull their ears back to make themselves appear smaller and less threatening. You might see this behavior when your dog meets a new person or animal. Dogs also pull their ears back when they are being scolded or in an uncomfortable situation. On the other hand, this expression can also be a sign of pain or illness. So if your dog's ears are constantly in this position, a visit to the vet is necessary. Lip licking. If you see your dog licking its lips, it might be feeling stressed or anxious. This subtle signal should not be overlooked. Dogs may lick their lips to soothe themselves when they are stressed or anxious. Additionally, your dog may lick its lips when it is hungry or thirsty, indicating a desire for food or water. Lip licking can also indicate a problem with your dog's oral health, such as tooth pain or gum disease. If this behavior becomes persistent, a veterinary checkup is recommended. Your dog may also lick its lips in response to environmental stimuli, like an unpleasant sound or smell. Finally, your dog may lick its lips to convey that it does not want to harm another dog or person and wishes to avoid conflict. By carefully observing your dog's behavior, you can better understand its needs and emotions. Whale eye. Whale eye describes the situation where your dog turns its head slightly to the side, showing the whites of its eyes. This is a sign that your dog feels anxious or threatened and may be ready to bite if pressured further. If your dog is showing whale eye, it's best to give them some space and, if possible, remove them from the stressful situation. This expression is commonly seen when your dog is guarding a toy or food, or feels uncomfortable being hugged or petted in a certain way. Yawning. It's a mistake to think that yawning only indicates that your dog is tired. In dogs, yawning can also be a sign of stress and anxiety. For instance, if your dog frequently yawns during a vet visit or a noisy fireworks display, it's likely trying to calm itself and reduce its anxiety. Another interesting aspect of yawning is its contagious nature. Just like with humans, yawning can be contagious among dogs. If you yawn, don't be surprised if your dog yawns back. Some experts believe this behavior is a sign of empathy and social bonding. It indicates that your dog has an emotional connection with you and is sensitive to your mood. Raised eyebrows. When your dog raises its eyebrows, it typically indicates interest or anticipation. This can occur when they see a toy or treat, or when they are trying to understand something you are saying. Raised eyebrows can also indicate surprise or confusion. For example, if you make a strange noise or do something unexpected, your dog may lift its eyebrows while trying to figure out the situation. This expression shows that your dog is paying close attention and is engaged with you. Head tilt. The head tilt is a classic and adorable dog expression that signifies curiosity. When your dog tilts its head to one side, it is usually trying to hear or see something better. This behavior indicates that your dog is focused on you and wants to communicate more effectively. Some experts believe that the head tilt helps dogs better read our facial expressions. For example, when your dog tilts its head and looks at you, it might be saying, "I'm listening and trying to understand you." This gesture not only improves their auditory perception, but also strengthens their emotional connection with you. As a result, your dog's head tilt reflects its interest and curiosity towards you. Nose wrinkle or snarl. If your dog wrinkles its nose and shows its teeth, it is likely feeling threatened or displaying aggression. This expression usually comes with a growl and should be taken as a serious warning. However, some dogs, especially breeds like pugs and French bulldogs, naturally have wrinkled noses. In such cases, it's essential to observe the overall body language to determine if the dog is genuinely aggressive. Pay attention if this behavior is accompanied by a tense body and fixed stare. Squinty eyes. Soft. Squinty eyes are a sign of a happy and content dog. When your dog looks at you with relaxed eyes and slightly closed lids, it shows affection and trust. This expression typically appears when you're petting your dog or when they're enjoying the warmth of the sun. The squinting indicates that your dog's muscles are relaxed and their overall posture is calm and serene. When your dog looks at you with squinty eyes, accompanied by gentle purring or deep breaths, it further indicates their state of relaxation and comfort. Panting. While panting is a normal way for dogs to cool down, it can also be a sign of stress or excitement. If your dog is panting heavily and showing other signs of anxiety, it may be overwhelmed by its surroundings. Excited panting is often seen with a wagging tail and a wiggly body, such as when your dog greets you after a long day or anticipates a car ride. If your dog isn't panting excessively or showing signs of distress, this type of panting isn't usually a cause for concern. Understanding your dog's facial expressions can greatly enhance your bond and ensure their well-being. By learning to read these cues, you can respond appropriately to your dog's needs, making them feel safe, loved, and understood. Continue observing and interacting with your furry friend to strengthen this unique form of communication. Curious why your dog loves sleeping next to you? Click on the video to learn what it means when your dog wants to sleep by your side. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our Nosy Paws community. See you in the next video. Goodbye.